Hello students, this is your teacher, Miss Betis. I wanted to create a short video so that I could encourage you to have a look around this second resource in place of Filmora called ClipChamp. If you first go to our Google Classroom, you'll see that I've added the link to where I've posted the final assignment that we're working on for Unit 4, our Videography unit, and it's in the instructions section. While you're at home for the 2 weeks following March break, you'll have some time to work on your final assignment. And if you're more comfortable working with something that you have available to you at home, please feel free to use it. Something maybe like iMovie, Adobe Premiere, or Filmora. If you have it available at home, go ahead. If not, or even if you do and you still prefer to use something like ClipChamp, I encourage you to do so. And we're going to take a look at that right now. Okay, and don't forget that you also still have available to you the tools that we learned for sound editing, which was Soundtrap, if you want to make some original music or record your voice for narration, and photo editor, pixlr.com, which is, as you know, used for creating your own individual photographs should you need that for your project. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at clipchamp.com. Okay, so I've already signed up, and the way I did that was it allows you to do it with your Google ID and use the one that's assigned to you by your school. Okay, so it just lets me log in automatically. You can do that as well. Okay, so I've already looked at a few, and it appears here. Okay, I'm going to just delete that now so we can have a look. So as I mentioned to you in class, what's really good about ClipChamp, one, of course, that it's free, but two, that it has templates already for you that are in the format of the types of videos that we've talked about and that you're creating. For example, music videos, vlogs, cooking videos, etc. Okay, so for example here, if you click search template library, vlog will come up. Okay, and if you click if you scroll down, here's a template for a video that's a cooking instructional video. All right, if you were to click on this, it will open. Okay, let's click and I'll show you through. It will open the screen where it looks just like what we're used to on Filmora. Okay, where it'll show you the timeline. And what you would have to do is when you see the star right there, that means that you can't use that. It's not your content, okay? Because it's not free. So what you would have to do is replace these videos, of course, with your own video content. And then any of the text, for example, here, you would retype your own text that would fit your project, okay? And then when you do that, it's already programmed to look like the cooking video that you see in the template. Okay, so you wouldn't have to change any of the already pre-programmed settings. All you would have to do is just type in the text that you want to see appear on the screen. Okay, the music is there. See if you like that, and you can change the music as well. There are some free stock under stock media. If you click under stock, you can check out audio. Okay, the only one that is free forever that's available to you here, and you can choose from these choices. The others are only for the paid version of the program. And you also have, and this is really cool, a lot of B footage. Okay, so B footage, as you know, is like the extra background stuff that you put in between shots. Okay, if you check out free forever, there is free footage. I'll just wait for it to appear. There is free footage of things like buildings, aerial shots, things that you wouldn't normally be able to get on your own. Okay, sorry, let me just reload this quickly. Oh. Okay, let's see if we can have another look at that. There we go. Okay, so when you look at the footage in video and you click free forever, that free forever will show you some footage of, like, for example, let's say you need an aerial view of a city like Manhattan or a cruise, you know, buildings. Okay, it would be hard for you to film something like this on your own if you're working from home, but you have it here to use if you should need something like this, okay, in your video, right? So you're free to use something like this. So that's really cool that they have that available to you for free, okay? So I would like you to explore this on your own and see if there's something that strikes your fancy. Maybe you're making a music video, for example, right? So they have lots of different templates here that might interest you, and it would save you a lot of time in creating your own music video.